General purpose means general purpose versus embedded systems. General purpose means PC means personal computer. It will do many tasks like calculator and recording and or doing the some mathematical operations and doing the addition or doing the some edit the documents, many things it will do, many tasks. But embedded systems means it is dedicated task and optimized and real time. Okay, this is the general purpose versus the embedded systems. What are the examples? We discussed, right? Washing machine and micro oven, smart TV, ATM, printer, air conditioner, smartwatch, car ECU, medical devices. Each of these contains a small computer that performs a specific function efficiently and reliably. What are the components will be there in the embedded systems? The main components is microcontroller or microprocessor. Next one is the memory. Memory also different type of memories will be there. In further videos, we can learn. Currently, the memory is like RAM, read access memory, ROM also will be there, read only memory, and flash. Flash also that one kind of the ROM. And the next component is input devices. Input devices are many are there like sensors, buttons, and some any components. Other components also make it as inputs we can give. Output devices. Output from the controller or microprocessor. LEDs, motors, displays, uh, some dashboards. That kind of different will be there. We'll discuss in the further. And main is the embedded software. Okay, you can think you can think as a microcontroller is a brain. How our human having the brain is the main important part. Like kind of microcontroller is the brain of the embedded software embedded systems. The software here, the embedded software is like this tells the hardware, it tells to the microcontroller hardware exactly what to do. This is the embedded software will give the instructions what to do, what not to do. But brain, the main brain of the embedded systems is the microcontroller. Okay, the real time real life like real time or real life examples. Okay,